Hello, my name is Nasir and I am 33 years old. I am an English instructor. Okay, now let's start. Demo. I pretend like a teacher and you pretend like a student. Okay, let's start. Hello, kids. How are you? How are you? What? Say loud. More loud. Very good. Well done. Wonderful. Okay. What is your name? What is your good name? James. Oh, very nice, James. James, do you have five? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. All right. What is your name? What is your name? What? Say loud. Laugh loud. Daisy. Very good, Daisy. It's a nice name. Daisy, do you have five? Yes. Okay. How old are you? Oh, aloud. Very good. Okay. How old are you? How old are you? Very good. Well done. Wonderful. All right, now please stand out and let's play a song. Music, please. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm happy, I'm good, I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm not so well. Hello, 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 how are you? Okay, now please sit down and thank you very much.